Well, we have here in between races the director, Tony Lipinski, and you've been doing this for a while.
Yeah, really I was thinking about that. I'm not sure how long I've been doing it. It's probably been 15, 16 years, out of the 40 years.
Yeah, so, pretty much ever since we've been doing some video.
Exactly right. We got Michigan Runner in, and we appreciate you being here.
Well, we're happy to be here. It's really fun to see so many people come back every time.
Right. We have a lot of loyal runners, and they like it. I mean, they come back, and that's why I have to keep adding those older age groups. So, otherwise they yell at me.
Right. No, the 70-year-olds don't want to be put in the same category as the 60-year-olds.
Exactly. Right. And I hear about some 80-year-olds with, getting beat by a 65-year-old. So, so, yeah. Yeah,
but what was really amazing was watching Ella Willis win the women's 4K. How does that happen?
She's just she's like our stalwart. She's back every year, and she does great. She's just a great runner, and we appreciate her loyalty to the Big Bird Run.
I think she won the Free Press maybe 4 times.
I'm not sure. I know she's done it quite a bit. Right. She's a great person. Yes, we love Ella.
Right. So, what are some of the things that are a little bit different about this year's race? It's hard to find things that are different.
Yeah, well, this year was the first time we've gotten medals for all the runners. So, everybody coming across the finish line from the 1 mile, the 4K, and the 10K will be getting a medal. And then, obviously, all the division winners get a different medal. But and then we have a few extra turkeys to raffle off for the winners. So, not just the winners, but their participants. So, hopefully, anybody that comes in will be able to walk away with something.
Is that part of the 40th anniversary celebration?
Exactly. Trying to get some extra turkeys to hand out, because, we are the Big Bird Run. I know there's a lot of turkey trots, but how many of them give away turkeys to walk away with?
0.
Well, we do. So, we try to help out. So it's a fun thing.
It's definitely part of what makes this race special, and I know people just love coming back because they can expect the turkeys and really good timing and good competition.
Exactly. We do get some good runners. That's, mainly thanks to Hanson's Running Shops, but they're helping promoting everything too. So, our staff, they, Bobby Wilson and Amanda in our office and everybody in the office, they do a great job getting the volunteers ready and out on the course and just gearing up for the run. It's kind of like clockwork almost anymore. So, but they do a great job with that.
Well, you've got some pretty special people guarding the corners.
Exactly, all the volunteers. But they're the ones that benefit from this run, too. So they're the representatives from, say, the Kiwanis Club, the Optimist Club, the 2 high school band boosters, Roseville High School, Eastpointe High School, and Goodfellows and the Lions Club. They provide the volunteers, and then all the proceeds from the Big Bird Run go get donated back to those groups. So, and they in turn help out, needy people and families and students in the community.
And that's one of the reasons that people like coming here is they know money goes for a good cause, and surprisingly, your entry fee is pretty low.
Right. We try to keep it that way just to, encourage the registrations, and, we're not out to make money. We want to get as many sponsors as we can to help out with that, in the community.
Mm-hmm. Tony, congratulations on such a wonderful event. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Jenny. I appreciate you being here.
You're welcome.
Hi, I'm Mayor Robert Taylor from the City of Roseville. This is County Commissioner Harold Hall, newly elected to the position. We'd like to welcome everybody to the 40th annual Big Bird Run here in Roseville. It's a great day, sunny out, a little chilly, but it's a great event for everyone.
The 40th, did you know you're getting into?
The 40th, and we've been at every one.
Everyone. All right.
We've been at this spot for 25 years. Dangerous spot in the city to try to get through for the race. We got it covered.
Thanks, fellas.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
We have a whole bunch of people who've done this before. What's your name?
Dale.
Dan Balon. Tom?
And I see 3 10K bibs. So, have you always run the 10K?
Pretty much, yeah. Usually 5K, 10K, but I've done quite a few 10Ks.
Tom's going down today. He's no longer the champ. He's going to eat our dirt. Tom.
I'm going down.
He's going down.
You've usually done the 10K, right?
Yes, I have.
What brings you back to this race?
It's just a classic race. Plus, it's the 40th year. Got to do it.
Yeah, it's a great place to be. Over that bridge, it's wonderful to go over the second time. Burns like hell.
That's my favorite spot, too.
And it's a good spot for the photographers also.
Yes.
I ran 1989.
89? What was your first year?
Jeez, I don't remember.
A long time ago.
Alzheimer's starting to hit them.
Yeah, long time ago. I can't remember the first year either.
Well, good luck on the course today.
Thank you very much. Thanks for the interview.
Love you.
Well, isn't it perfect to see a guy who's wearing his POWMIA on Veterans Day? What's your name?
Tom Pfeiffer.
And have you run this race before?
Yes, for about 7 or 8 years.
Okay, and today you're running with the little kids.
Yeah, just the 1K. I usually do the 5K in the spring when it's a little bit warmer because I'm 72 now, so I'm getting up there. But I'm just doing a one kind of warm up today.
We also have a U.S. Army Vietnam Veterans hat with some medals on.
Yes, I was in Vietnam in 66, 67. So I'm running for all the veterans out there today and all the ones that aren't here today.
Never quit. Never quit. Never quit. Never quit.
Meet again.
Never quit. Never quit. Never quit. Never quit. Never quit. Never quit.
this guy in Roseville today. Matt Feck won the 10K by 4 minutes. Do you have any idea you were that far ahead?
I knew I was a decent ways ahead. I didn't know it was that far ahead, but when we came through the park, I didn't see anybody entering or exiting the park, so I knew I had a pretty big lead at that point. I think that's about 4 miles or so I knew it was pretty far ahead at that point.
And you've had a lot of success in this race. You've won it before a few times. How did you tackle it today?
Today was just kind of survival. I did 2 10Ks before this one this morning. So
2 10Ks this morning?
Yeah, the workout for today was three by 10K.
Oh, okay.
So the first one was 32:15. The second one was 31:45-ish, and then that was 32, I think 10, with about 10 minutes in between each one. Just kind of getting ready for the marathon. So
which marathon?
Cal International.
Williams family from Cairo, Michigan, and in the middle is Alex, who never wears a shirt. Is that right?
That's right. Never.
And Cassie over here.
Yep, hello.
And you're running the 10K?
I am.
And this is?
Belle.
Belle. Oh, what a pretty name for a pretty girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that was fun. It was. It's cold this morning. Once again, the mile's flat and fast, and it only has a couple turns, so you can really get some speed going.
Hey, we should mention you won.
I did win. I was lucky enough because there's some fast guys out there. One guy took off real fast. I was like, uh-oh.
Well, yeah, usually you get some high school kids, so.
Yeah, and this year, obviously, we got the baby, so we're switching off races, and I really am going to miss the 10K. I love seeing your guys' video of it, and I watched the video this year, and I was watching the bridge crossing, the overpass, and it's a very difficult course.
It is, but you have a very different approach to running with a small kid.
Yeah, we do. We switch on and off our races. Like, we'll come here, and like I said, he did the mile, and then I'll do the 10K, and then we'll find the next race the next week, and we'll do the same thing.